Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, documenting my Mexican beach home renovation. And they worked until past sunset last night. And let me show you what they did. I showed you already that they poured the concrete all the way from the street gate. We can now go all the way back to the ocean, which is way over there. Okay, so they started cutting sections out of the concrete. So it's actually easier to pour the concrete and then saw this, which is very noisy. I had my noise canceling headphones on most of the day. And then they take that out and stick in this river rock. And let me show you what that looks like. So they started doing that. Here's another section that they saw to do that. This was two different pours. And so that's why there's this jagged edge in the middle. They knew they were going to cut this out, so they didn't worry too much about that. But I'll show you around the pool, they also cut it and they started putting in this rock. And this is what it looks like. So this is a fantastic option. We got the stone here and then the concrete. And then they cut this out and stuck in this river rock, which we bought a huge barrel of it. And this is what it looks like. And so the water will drain out when it rains. It'll drain out through this so that we don't have to worry so much about floods happening on this concrete or into the pool or anything like that. And so it's a really nice look. They even did some around this particular palm tree. And I think they're going to do it on our island tree as well. And so there was a lot of sawing. Even this little gap here, they're sticking it in. And this is what it looks like without. So they saw that out and stuck that in. And we're good. Yeah, I think I told you, last time in my last video about the steam room being here, but no door. So it's a couple weeks away, even though it does seem pretty well. We're thinking about trying it out without the door. So just so we can use it for the next 2 weeks. The construction people are almost done. And the electrician and plumber also are almost done. I think they only have the pool house to do next, really, after they finish the steam room. And then that's all there is to it. Will be done. Construction people probably may have another 2 days. A lot of this finished work, I don't really know how long it'll take, but they did so much yesterday and they're coming back in a couple hours to do some more today. Probably a big day as well. And then so hopefully they're done maybe in a couple of days. So that's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Click that like button if you like the video and leave a comment if you have something positive to say. We always love those. Or if you have a question about doing a Mexican home renovation. It is different, to say the least. And we've had very positive experiences overall. Pretty good, actually. Very high. And if you want to get notified about videos coming out in the future, go ahead and click that bell notification. And if you really would like a weekly email, including all expat news information, go over to expatrebel.com/newsletter. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.